ka-peeps, nandito ako sa Yokohama Gundam Factory.
Ay, libre mo na ako.
Ganda, ganda. Happy New Year. How can you read this kanji? I? Takayama ai. Nakayama ai. Okay. Hello Nakayama ai. We're here in Gundam Factory. It's just newly open. What time is it? View. Newly open, really. Gundam Factory.
Are we going to eat inside or no? Because the last order is...
No, we're not going to eat inside. Just outside, the other place. At the restaurant, maybe. Yeah. Saan yan? Sa Yokohama. Sa Yokohama kami. Wala naman masyadong tao. It's okay. Kasi nasa park to siya. Para siyang park. Social distancing, it's okay because, you know,
it's cold here. So you need
but it's cold because it's open air. It's open air. Nasa siya. Ka-open lang to, newly open. December 19. Yeah. Yeah, this is a newly open. And we have yes, we can speak Japanese.
はい、こちらですね。5人様です。
はい。
はい。チケットの再発行できませんので、なさないようにお気をつけください。
チケット？チケット、こ
ちら購入券ですね。それからこちらのガンプラになりますね。
はい。あげたじゃん、チケット。チケットあげた。This one? The new ticket? Okay, I see. Thank you. Okay. I got one.
Yeah, give one everyone.
Hi! Look at that. Tingnan niyo sis. Diba? Diyan yung Gundam. Yes, dito ginagawa yung Gundam. Yan. Aerobotics, Nag-ano kami feeling bata. Pero alam ko, gagawa ang Japanese talaga ng robot for the future. I think so. Look at that.
we're here. Picture lang ko nga yan.
Hindi to yung sa Tokyo Odaiba ha. It's different. Yeah. Yun, look nyo. Look. This is it. Ang laki, grabe. Kung gusto mong pumasok sa pumasok ka sa ulo, sa may bandang ulo niya, you can go there. Pero mayroon siyang Sanseng Sambyakuen, I think. 3,300. You must pay 3,300. Yeah. Tingnan mo. Hindi naman siya gumagalaw. Gumagalaw ba siya? I don't know. Parang talagang siya.
Hindi ko pa nalagay yung aking memory kaya.
Look at that. 2021. Look at that. Ang ganda, no? Punta ka dito, maganda. Ikaw naman, si Aska. Alex.
Tatlo sila, te. Okay, tatlo sila.
The three of you. Just
1, 2. Another one.
The three of you.
Ay, tatlo kayo, dali.
The three of you.
Ako, te. Okay, tatlo kayo, dali. 3 of you.
Okay, I will hold it.
Loose na.
Dali.
Because no one's entering this house.
But there's no people that told us, so it's okay. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay.
One more.
One more. 1, 2, 3, please. Okay.
Okay. Let's go.
Gaijin.
Okay.
Hanggang dito lang pala.
Are we going inside the Gundam base?
I don't know.
Let's go. And let's check it. What is inside? What is inside, guys? This is the Gundam base, Yokohama satellite. Ah. What's inside? Gundam toys, maybe. I see. This is the entrance. Where is the entrance? Where's the entrance? Okay. Woo. はい、どうも。あ、カメラはダメね。
あ、写真大丈夫です。
あ、写真大丈夫。OK。ありがとう。Thank you. How about you? Alcohol. Yun. Gundam daw. Ah, cute. It's cute, though. It's cute. Gundam. Oy, I have that one Gundam in the Philippines. The big one. I don't know where it now. Cute. Yeah. Yan guys, oh. Yan the collection. Ha? Gagalaw na? It will? Oh, may timer at 9 minutes. Gagalaw na daw si Gundam, guys. Mga ka-tips. 9 minutes. There's a countdown. Oh, it will move. It will move. Oh, look at that. Oh. It's a nice one.
Ay, ang ganda.
There. Oh, it will move daw. Oh, there's a countdown. There's a minute. Oh, 8 minutes and 40 seconds. 8 minutes pa nga eh. Let's go inside. It's summer eh. Ay. Let's go inside. It will move like what?
8 p.m.
It,
It's gonna move at 8 p.m.
8 p.m. it's gonna move, right? Okay. Ah, look at that. Oh, ang ganda-ganda. Oh. Yun po, oh. Oy, I like that gold Gundam. Ganda. Ano ka na yun? Oh, different kind of Gundam. What? What picture? This one, eh? Look. Talagang napaka-ano. How much is that? How much is that?
Pinakauna siguro yun. Hindi binibenta yung original.
Original.
Before.
Okay.
Muna nun mga idol.
Nanin mae no ne.
Ilang taon.
まもなく RX-78F00 ガンダムの起動実験を開始します。見学をされる方は係員の指示に従い安全な場所へ移動してください。
ミッションコントロールより発令。これより RX-78F00 ガンダムの起動実験を開始する。
総員配置についてください。
繰り返す。総員配置についてください。コックピットハッチ閉じます。
コックピットハッチ確認。
Cockpit door lock secure.
G ドック可動デッキスタンバイ。ポート閉鎖完了。
Release the bridge.
力異常なし。
Gundam, forward to launch position.
G キャリアのストッパーを解除。
Completed. Stopper released.
ガンダム起動準備完了。
ミッションコントロールからガンダムへ。ガンダム聞こえますか？
こちらガンダム、よく聞こえている。
自動姿勢制御装置を起動させてください。
了解。自動姿勢制御装置を起動する。ガンダム起動。
Confirmed. ABC is up and running. All motors are ready and good to go.
両足の減速機は必要ありません。
No problems found in the wing electric system.
エンコーダーパッドは正常です。
No problems found in the auxiliary radio.
前方ダウントラッチ異常ないか？
ガンダムの各部干渉はクリアです。
The torque value does not exceed the limit.
メインカメラ、デュアルセンサー、どちらとも異常なし。
Curved and transmitting. Please start testing the manipulator's operation. Start the operation test again. The set has finally come.
このガンダムの復元を進めてからもう2年ですね。
このガンダムの記録は残されていないんだ。それにオリジナルの英語もまだ復元できていない。そこにまだ何か秘密があるのかもしれないな。
ガンダムの起動実験をまた再開しましょう。
速やかに所定の位置に戻れ。
了解。
ガ
実験が完了しました。ガンダムは現状の姿勢を維持してください。
Siya kanina. Sa cafe. Susie, say Happy New Year to Mama Le.
Hello, Happy New Year again. Once again.
Again and again.
Ayan o.
Welcome to 2021. Oh, ayan. Hi, Aska. Ayan. Say Happy New Year to Mama Leo.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. Busy sa, pag-i-edit siguro. Vlogging.
Nasaan na ba sila? Akala ko may picture dito.
There. Maybe over there. Tingnan nyo. Skotsu Yokohama. Bayside. Diba yung Bayside to ng Yokohama? Yeah. Next time, sakay tayo ng cruise. Cruise. Yan, bye-bye, Gundam. Ayun, nagpapapicture sila, picturean. Yeah, I can take a picture here.
Hindi bang tumama ko sa table?
Oh, you can take a picture. Yeah. Oo, pa. Where's your, cellphone?
Wala.
Lobat? Oh, say bye na. Bye na to our 2 million viewers. Bye-bye.
Everyone sa 2 million viewers na
Oo, sana nag-enjoy kayo.
Sana nag-enjoy kayo at balik-balik kayo ha. Abang-abang lang sa sunod na vlog ni ate.
Okay, bye mga
Bye,
kapips.
ciao.
Ciao.
「